This is your pile, okay? Where's your stocking? Go over here. Put your stuff.
Oh,
All right.
What is that?
Like you draw on it.
Oh, cool.
Boogie board.
Okay.
That is very
You
nice.
buy the paper,
What's it called, honey?
a boogie board.
Boogie board. You can boogie.
So you don't waste paper, which is very important to care of.
Ah, so
An
conscientious.
environmentalist.
It didn't say who it's from, it just says Kira.
Oh,
No,
from
it's
your
in the
sister?
back. Which is the front. Oh, to care from backpack and movie.
Oh, Papa.
Oh,
Looks like a shoebox.
it's really from Santa.
He just asked us to help him to see.
That's right. He was a little busy.
Oh, it's a hook kit.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
so cute.
That's cute.
All puppies.
Go get your garbage.
Hey, you have to help give Tara her present later, huh?
Wrapping paper.
The-
Bring in the wrapping paper.
You see it? You saving it?
No.
Oh, okay. I got the garbage station.
Mimi, can you take the wrapping paper and give it here?
Wait.
What's that?
To care from
Oh.
Oh, it's a Dolly and me dress.
All right.
Ooh, that's what I wanted. Mm,
That's for home for you.
Yeah.
so pretty.
Nice plaid. Who's that from?
Oh, Andrew. That's your pile.
Oh, that's my file, huh?
Yay!
Okay, very good.
Who's next oldest?